Hi everyone, welcome to Module 14. We are almost at the end of this course. Module 14 is really about bringing it together, applying the desert basics. So let's go ahead and take a look at Module 14 overview. You're really going to be applying the things you've learned during the course. You're going to complete two major assignments. You're going to complete part 3 of both the Sonoran Desert Field Guide and the final synthesis. So let's go ahead and dive into each of these. So the final synthesis checkpoint is part 3. And again, you have the detailed rubric here. You have the detailed assignment sheet linked right here. And you have the final synthesis assignment expectations there. So let's go ahead and go here. You have your learning final synthesis. You must include all of these criteria in order to earn full points. They've got to be detailed paragraphs, include specific examples, strong evidence that supports that learning nugget question. The response should be 2 to 3 paragraphs long, minimally 5 complete sentences per paragraph, written in your own word. There's no copying and pasting. Remember that Turnitin has to be met of 30% or less, and there should be a photo or picture image that represents the content or question. There is an example provided here, and remember this example is just an example of what one paragraph looks like. Each of the learning nuggets should have 2 to 3 paragraphs per question along with one picture. The next assignment is the next assignment is the Desert Field Lab, and remember you've got 2 parts to this as well. You've got your really detailed directions on what to include for this, and so for this you're going to have your let's go ahead and make a copy of this, the field guide assignment. This one includes, you're going to analyze that information. You're going to report on it in that PowerPoint field guide format. You have already started this, and this is a running document. So you're going to have to continue to add on to what you already created for part 2. You're going to add 10 more content slides that are outlined below. Remember to include the title slide, 10 section cards, and a reference page to finish the assignment in its entirety. You're going to do the 2 more reptiles, 3 amphibians, 4 insects, for a total of 10 slides. And remember, for each of the content slides, it's got to include all of these details: the common name, the scientific name, the habitat, 3 detailed characteristics, 2 adaptations, 1 photo with a citation, and at least 1 slide per species, at least. And here you have the other points that need to be earned. You got to have your cover slide, you've got to have your reference page, it's got to be organized, including the order of the rubric. So all the other ones you've done previously, including the cacti, trees, bushes, succulents, and so on. And then you've got to follow the format, which is Times New Roman font, at least 16 point, and then organize them in the following way. So total, you're going to have 52 slides minimally, 40 content cards, 10 section cards each, and then your title page and your reference page for a total of 52 slides minimum. And here you have your example of the slide example of the title slide and some examples of content slides. So please make sure that you are doing this as a running document. This goes into your points. So, all right, this is your module 14 assignments. So we will see you in module 15.